What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. And today, we'll be taking a look at the Jordan React Havoc. This silhouette was one of the first Jordan training shoes to be released with React technology, alongside a React version of the Jordan Trunner. This shoe debuted in a Volt colorway, as well as this gray and white version. I like both, but when it came down to buying, the iridescent heel support on this shoe made the choice easy. First impressions, the shoe is lightweight and striking in appearance. Starting with the upper, the lateral side of the React reads ZM X14, with ZM standing for Zoom and X14 referring to the code name of React foam before it was released to the public. The end portion 8mm OS is probably referring to the thickness of the Zoom unit, and OS denoting one size. On the tongue, you get a Jumpman logo as well as these metallic triangles that go along one side of the shoe and the toe. The engineered mesh upper is notably tight, but after wearing them for a few days, the mesh starts to conform to my feet. If you wear 270s, then that one-piece upper fit is comparable to these. The laces connect to these bands that sort of keep your foot in place, but it's mostly the mesh upper that's supporting and keeping your foot stable. You won't have to lace these up if you're looking to wear them casually. The insole is a thick blue ortholite insole, lined with a black fabric with of course some more Jordan branding. TR denoting training and RN denoting running on the white bar at the bottom. But the real star of the shoe here is the midsole. The combination of React cushioning with this bottom-loaded Zoom airbag gives you a nice springy feel on forefoot strikes. On the midsole, lined up with where you have your Zoom airbag, you see that Zoom has been etched into the midsole. I think the wave-like arch design we see on most Nike React shoes looks great with the black speckles here. And on the medial side of the heel counter, we again see some info on the tech inside, full-length X14 React. Another reason I chose this colorway over the Volt was because of this translucent outsole that clearly exposes the Zoom technology inside. Something to note, I found this shoe to be extremely flexible throughout, and even in the midfoot. This could be good or bad depending on what you're doing. Lastly, the shoe does have a few 3M reflective hits that strip on the lateral side of the shoe, as well as on the heel pull tab, and a few reflective accents in the metallic triangles on the top of the upper and on the toe. That about brings us to the end of this review. Thanks so much for watching. Please like the video to support what I'm doing, subscribe to stay notified on what's coming next, and as always, wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.